Hey, my friends, I want to share yesterday why I took down the videos about the advanced parole for DACA and decided this morning to repost them. Specifically, I wanted to do some due diligence because there were a lot of negative comments that really hurt my feelings, calling me a liar, there's no source. The video specifically talked about how there was an internal memo guidance to USCIS officers to deny advanced parole or travel permits to DACA recipients. So what I did do is I took them down and I did some due diligence. I reached out to the USCIS liaison for the American Immigration Lawyers Association for the state of Michigan, who did confirm that there have been reports in other parts of the country, specifically in Oklahoma. We know that it's been going on in New Mexico and some reports in San Francisco. And then yesterday evening, the American Immigration Lawyers Association actually posted this memo. Unfortunately, you have to be a paid member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association to have access to this document, but I did want to let everyone know that there's a source that says reports indicate denials of advanced parole application for those with entries without inspection. This appears to be part of an internal memo shared to USCIS field offices. Of specific note are reports of denials for adjustment of status category C9 and DACA-based advanced parole. So what this means is the reason why there's not a source I can cite that's in the public right now is because it's internal. And right now, USCIS, my understanding, is not allowed to share it. However, I have a solution. I'm going to do a Freedom of Information Act request. We don't know how long it's going to take. I'm going to reach out to the ACLU, ALA National. We are going to do everything we can within our power to get this document. So what does this mean? The reason that I repost this is not to cause fear and panic in the community. It's because my duty as an attorney is to help DACA recipients know what their options are, weigh the risk, and weigh the options. That being said, what am I recommending right now? Well, clearly we don't know the future of advanced parole because there are some people that have commented that they got approvals recently. So here's what you should do. You should be communicating to these organizations that help out people with DACA and let them know, are you getting approved? We don't know. It seems like some people still are getting approved, some people aren't. What I'm recommending, if you've already submitted the application or you are, sure, you can file it. Worst case scenario is you get denied. The real question comes, are you going to leave? Now, we do know from the last Trump administration that if you had an advanced parole approved after he canceled the possibility of getting an approval, that if you had it approved and you're outside of the country, you would be let back in. We also know that if it was approved, you could leave and come back and still adjust status to become a permanent resident here in the United States, for example, based on marriage to a US citizen, or if you have a US citizen child who's 21, then you could do that option. So there is risk though. Trump is uncertain, right? Can't guarantee that it's going to be the same result this time, but I just wanted to clarify to everyone that this is good intentions. It's not me trying to make up lies. And it really was hurtful, all the comments about me being a liar and I'm just making this BS up was one of the comments. So I do want to know that I would really like to get more information on this, and I will continue to spread this information so that my DACA friends can make educated decisions about their future. With regard to adjustment of status, that's another decision you need to make because Trump's also recently notified that if you get adjustment of status denied, you would likely get put into removal proceedings, right? If you have DACA, though, that's lawful presence. So we don't know the future of DACA. So there's a lot of uncertainty, but I just wanted to clarify why I posted the video, why I took it down, and now that I have credible sources, specifically the American Immigration Lawyers Association National Office published this information that verifies that this is occurring throughout the country. Thank you.